So you've built your AI Jarvis just like this gentleman, and now the question is, how does it make money? This video, we're going to build you a AI brain module that you can install into your brain and give it a commercial job. Let's begin. Mattar?
Hello, Kev. How can I help?
We're going to get started.
Ready when you are.
So you can get this cheat sheet down below, but let's go through the key aspects of it. The first thing is AI doesn't make money as itself. It's value that creates money. So number one is AI brains need a job, a commercial job. An AI brain without a job is just potential. Give it a role, solve a real problem, create real value. That potential can then create purpose, and income follows purpose. The second thing is businesses don't buy AI. Businesses buy outcomes, not the tools. So if you can generate more sales, save time, reduce costs, make better decisions, happier customers, or in some way higher profits, they'll pay for results. So the income formula that you want to follow is, what customer are you trying to serve? Who has the problem? What is the problem and what's ultimately hurting them? The outcome, what they want to change, and that then allows your AI brain how it can actually deliver an outcome. You can present that as an offer, and then that income becomes the value that you have in exchange. So I'm not going to go fully into this. You can get access to this down below, where I've shared with you a fantastic module that can help your AI brain be trained on a specific example and a specific outcome that you can create value. Let's go through that process right now. So as your AI brain is centralized intelligence, now's the time to discover the first or next commercial job that your AI brain can perform. And I've got some questions that I've connected to Mattar, my Mattar, that can help you guide specifically and customized to you. So I'm going to go through this together, one step at a time. So the first question that Mattar will ask is, what kind of work experience do you have? You can select anything that applies, or you can actually just speak to Mattar, right? So, what experience do we have? I'm going to go through this as an example. I have content creation, I've got sales, I've got marketing, I've got warehouse and logistics through our 3PL systemized fulfillment mission. I've got some engineering because my background is electrical engineering. And for now, I'm just going to continue. There's no right or wrong answer. Which skills are you currently confident in using? Okay, so marketing, social media, sales, content creation, project management, and I'm also going to do organization. The next one is, which of these have you helped somebody with before? Well, I've helped solving work problems. I've helped organizing tasks and projects. I've got over 10 years running a business, managing people, teaching and explaining, creating content. For now, I'm going to leave it at that. Which areas do you understand best? Okay, so logistics is a key one, e-commerce, marketing, sales, technology, AI, and I'm going to, finance, content, and media. Okay, what kind of work do you enjoy doing the most? For me, I love organizing, I love talking to people, I love solving problems, I really enjoy creating content, working directly with customers. Okay, that's good. What would you prefer not to do? Okay, so what would I prefer not to do? Okay, so I don't like doing repetitive admin. I really like fast results, so long projects. Okay, what AI tools do you currently use? Well, you can then select whatever tools that you use. Okay, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, custom GPTs, Lovable, N8N, Mattar Remix, AI agents. Okay, continue. What can your current AI setup already help you do? It can help me do lots of great things, write content, research, summarize information, generate ideas, analyze data, create images, automate tasks, draft emails, build websites, plan projects, make decisions, create sales and marketing material, organize knowledge. Fantastic. How confident are you using AI? For me personally, I build AI tools and automations. How much time could you realistically commit each week? Okay, so this is going to obviously vary for everybody. For me, I can do more than 20 hours. What would you prefer to sell? A service for clients, digital products, a small AI tool and app, AI setup and implementation, repeatable monthly service. Do like repeatable monthly services, digital products. I like that too. Service for clients, like that too. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to do repeatable monthly service. How comfortable are you working directly with customers? Okay, so I'm very comfortable. Really enjoy working with people. Who could you realistically help and reach out today? Okay, so friends and family, former colleagues. I've got LinkedIn connections, local businesses, Facebook groups, e-commerce sellers, creators, coaches and consultants, professional network. I've got social media followers. I've got an email list, online communities. Okay, so a vast range. What would feel like a meaningful first result? So for you, there's no right or wrong answer here. It's ultimately up to you, right? So for me, I've got my first paying customer. I've done over 100, 500, 1,000. Okay, so I'm just going to go for repeatable service. Is there anything else that Mattar should know? No, thank you, Mattar. Okay, so now this is going to generate a plan. As I say, this is going to be a customized plan that's going to actually generate a brain module. So going back to the original question, how does an AI brain make money? Then you've got to build modules, you've got to build assets that it can actually achieve a commercial job. Okay, so this is it's what it's come up with, right? Fastest route to first revenue. It's come up with an e-commerce product copy or competitor audit pilot. Okay. The first ideal customer, independent e-commerce store owners like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy. Unoptimized product copy that fails to convert store traffic into buyers. That's a problem worth solving. What's the result the customer buys? It's 5 product conversions and positioning audit pack. Okay. How AI creates leverage. So there's obviously lots of different leverage capabilities with AI. Then the starter offer. Okay, so it's come up with a commercial job. E-commerce product listing optimization pilot. Okay. The pilot price, it suggested a price of £150. And then proof sample that you can create today. We can actually create some proof here. 5 first prospects. I've got my LinkedIn connections. I've got local independent retailers, online stores. I've got e-commerce seller groups, past professional colleagues running side businesses. It come up with some done for you messages and outreach, whether that's first messages, follow-ups, and then delivery workflow, as well as today's commercial action, as well as a 7-day plan. And this is how you can get your AI brain actually creating a first commercial job as per your interests and your skills. And here's the great thing at the end of all this. You can then actually create an AI brain module, a module that you can train your AI brain as a module within the capabilities. Okay, so what this has done is it's actually created everything, and it's actually created the training of the brain, right? So you'll see there, you'll see it's generated a full module here, which I can copy all this. I can copy every single one of these, and then I can train my brain to achieve this particular outcome. That is super, super exciting. Now, there's a few things that I say in here that's very, very important. I'm just going to cover one aspect of this, which is the never. Okay, so the goal when you've got an AI brain and you're training it with a brand new module, a capability, is you never want it to override existing system instructions, existing memory, existing knowledge, unrelated workflows, interfere with any existing automations, contradict existing goals, redesign the brain, right? Invent facts, and all these things that when you are actually training a module, a part of the brain, you don't want it to interact or make changes to what your existing system is. So I hope that's been helpful in creating your first commercial job when it comes to creating income for your AI brain. That is coming up with a module that can be trained so you can give a specific outcome to a specific customer's problems. If you want access, then you can go down below. If you don't currently have a brain, then you can watch this video right here that can share with you step by step on how to create a brain with a demo. Please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in future videos on, in particular, a fantastic project that I have right now helping a tour guide operator and building an agent for them. Hit the subscribe button to keep in contact with that. Speak soon.